Assalamu alaikum, brothers. This is the tree of Hanzal. While we were walking, we came across this fruit, veg. Fruit bhi hai, veg bhi hai. This is a fruit which is known as Hanzal. Looks like an apple, but it's not an apple. Brothers, this is Hanzal. It looks like an apple, but it's actually a different fruit. We know that the Prophet ﷺ sometimes would change the name of certain Sahaba when they would accept Islam. But some Sahaba, the Prophet ﷺ left their name the same. For example, Talha radiallahu anhu. Talha means a tree, but the Prophet ﷺ left that name. In the same way as Hanzal. Hanzalah, uh, Hanzal means this fruit. So Hanzalah radiallahu anhu, we all know that at the Battle of Uhud, when he was martyred, he became Ghasilul Malaika, that the angels came and they performed his ghusl. And the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the other Sahaba, they seen water dropping from his body even before they would wash him. When they asked the family members that what has happened, the Prophet ﷺ said, go to the family members and ask that what did he do, that the angels came to perform his ghusl. They said that he shared the bed with his family members, and before going to the shower he heard of Hayya al Jihad, and he went out in the battlefield and he became shaheed. For that reason the angels came from the heavens to make his ghusl. So that is Hanzalah radiallahu anhu, and this is Hanzal, the fruit.